Welcome back to the intermediate level. In our last video, we set up Qiskit and wrote our very first circuit. Today, we are going to write code that actually creates superposition using the Hadamard gate, if you remember from our basic series. Superposition lets a qubit be 0 and 1 at the same time. Now, let's see how we write that in Python.
Let's look at the code. First, we create a circuit with 1 qubit and 1 classical bit. QC equals quantum circuit 1, 1. By default, a qubit always starts in the 0 state. If we want to put it into superposition, we simply type qc.h0. The .h function applies the Hadamard gate to our first qubit index 0. This single line of code is what takes the qubit out of its rigid binary state and spins it into a 50/50ths probability mix of 0 and 1.
Of course, to see what happened, we need to measure it. We add qc.measure 0, 0 to map the quantum state onto our classical bit.
When we run this code through Qiskit simulator and plot a histogram, you'll see something amazing. Roughly 50% of the time, it yields a 0, and 50% of the time, it yields a 1. You have successfully programmed uncertainty using Python.
To summarize, the Hadamard gate qc.h is your primary tool in Qiskit to create superposition through code. In our next video, part 3, we'll explore quantum interference and how to use it to filter out wrong answers.
When testing your code locally using Qiskit simulator, always run your circuit multiple times, for example, 1024 shots using execute or the sampler primitive, because quantum mechanics deals with probabilities. Running it just once won't show you the true 50/50ths distribution.